हेलो बच्चों, आपका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल पे। A for apple. Say with me, apple. B for bus. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. Say with me, elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. I. Say with me, I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. Say with me, K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. Next, O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. Say with me, Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T. What is this? T for tiger. Next, U for umbrella. Next, V for van. Say with me, V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Next, Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Hey kids, revision time. Let's start. Say with me, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. तो किड्स, मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ। चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा। ओके।